to that.
This is our home away from home.
You don't know nothing about working over here though.
I don't. I'm not familiar with this music. Animal Kingdom, Animal Kingdom. What is that?
Oh my gosh, are we gonna see the Zootopia show?
Look at this girl. Look at this girl. Wow.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. Judy wait, they took out Doug?
They got evicted.
They took out Doug? Bro, that's a kidnapping. What happened? Here we are. Everest, Everest.
I used to work in here.
In the queue? Yay. They've got the bathroom. That's ours. Yeah. There's the character. Yay. Okay, bye Animal Kingdom.
Yeah.
I got bit by some bug.
Yeah.
Anyways.
But we got our grad pins on.
Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, frozen cappuccino dream. It's the dream. It's the dream. Hayden's looking for the keyhole.
No.
He can't find it. He can't find it. No keyholes found today. I said Hayden look for the keyhole.
But it's right in plain sight.
I know.
Oh my god. I was looking like way over there.
Okay, we're about to see the castle for the first time since they changed the color.
I'm excited.
I'm excited. It's gonna be white and blue.
Oh my goodness.
She's pretty!
It's so pretty.
She's restored. Look, wow.
That's crazy.
How gorgeous is that? Wow. People mover, people mover. Yeah.
I feel like I need a costume to raise kids.
Lights are on in there. Look at it. Space Mountain. Let's see. Where are we at? Dang, look at it. Wow, look at that. This is why I wanted to ride this right now. Isn't that crazy? The AC is really nice. Wow, that is really cool. They're speeding us up by the window. Where's the window? Oh, maybe, isn't there a window?
Yeah.
Wow. Isn't this cool?
Right here.
Oh, here. Wow.
Are they on there?
I don't know, I don't see anybody. This is before you can stand. What?
Before you can stand. Well, it's dark, so you don't know.
No, I'm not saying it. It's so cool.
I would have loved to get evac on this.
I
That
know.
would have been so awesome.
Wow. Best bathrooms closed. What? Dang! Fake wall.
As they appeared in their
Why is there like no one in here?
mortal state.
We just got stopped at the best spot.
The reclining chairs.
The recline and the lean back and the sleep. It was great. It was so nice. We're heading on Thunder Mountain.
Wildest ride in the wilderness.
Wilderness. I wonder if there's gonna be a fight. Wow, look over there. This is the real magic.
That's crazy.
There's a car.
That is crazy. That concrete retention wall.
Wow, this is magical. This is the real magic
That's
of
crazy.
Disney.
I bet that concrete retention wall costs like $100,000.
Wow. Look over here. This is
Holy
crazy.
moly.
Whoa, that's cool. Wow.
Man, look how far.
Guess who's excited? Back row, back row.
Back row number 15.
Number 15, Burger King foot lettuce.
Guys, this ride is so good.
It's good. Here we are.
So bad.
We're so back. Thank you. Woo! Whoa, the goat! Going on the Astro Orbiter. First time in a really long time. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know. I couldn't tell you.
Yeah.
In Cali, we went on it.
Not this one where it's on the roof.
Yeah, this one's crazy.
What do we have to do, Aiden?
Go up the elevator. She turned off the vlog on me.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the lab floor. And now, make
Oh my blindness, look at this.
Be brave, true, and selfless, and all your wishes may come true. Oh, real boy!
What the heck?
Where did you go?
Encanto! Bruno!
then maybe they'll be able to fly too.
They said anyone's on.
Look at all cows.
We got stopped like 3 times.
I know. How do you do it? How do you do it? Okay, so you basically filmed all of today, but it was very fun.
Yeah, it was a good time.
Yeah, I enjoyed it.
We're both super tired.
I know. What was your highlight?
I don't know. Big Thunder was fun. I enjoyed
I
that.
agree.
Yeah. Starlight was good too.
Yeah. I liked
Happily.
Happily was good. The Buzz Lightyear is cool.
Oh yeah, I did like the Buzz Lightyear. Maybe that was my highlight.
Yeah. Except when my gun wasn't working for like the whole first room and the practice.
Yeah, I got 620,000.
Huh?
Not bad.
What?
620,000.
I got 400,000.
Yeah.
Even though I missed a rainbow because
Yeah.
it was in the first room.
Anything
Anyways.
else?
Nope. That's good. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this and you want to see more, you know what you see to you. Bye. Aiden's gonna talk
I am. I'm about to like pass out. I'm so tired. Tomorrow we're gonna go. I have a pretty chill day, so that'll be nice. Disney Springs, a few other things, but it'll be fun. Especially after a double park day from like 8 to like 11 p.m. and the camera's getting really close to me.